Hi, my name is Alyssa, and I work at Ignite Studio. Today I'm going to show you the pop-up kit from our kit library. In the kit, you'll find a pop-up book that has instructions on different pop-ups you can make and examples. You'll find a container with an X-Acto knife, a bone folder, and toothpicks. And you will find a folder that has templates from the book. And if you don't find the template that you want from the book, you can go to a website that's on the folder and find the template that you want, and a staff member will print it out for you. You will also need a couple of things from the cleanup area. You're going to want to go find the PVC glue that's specially made for paper, fast-drying paper projects, and a cutting mat. So today I chose, let's actually show you in the book, I chose to make the parallel pyramid. Inside the book you'll find a diagram that will instruct you on how to fold the template, and you'll also find instructions that will give you more information on how to fold and cut the template as well. Let's get started. Take out my X-Acto knife. There are lots of different kinds of blades in the container. You can choose whichever one you feel more comfortable using. I'm going to use the standard blade. So if you've never used an X-Acto knife before, it's kind of like a twist, open and close mechanism. So you'll twist open the handle at the top and then slide in the blade and then twist it closed so that it's secure. So what I'm going to do is cut on the non-dotted lines, because the dotted lines are for folding. So I'm just going to cut all around where there are straight lines. It's really helpful to cut on the mat because then your blade won't get super dull on the table and it's more secure and safe for you to use. I'm going to take my blade out and put it back so that there are no sharp pieces left laying on the table. Okay, so now I have my pieces cut out and I'm going to fold on the dotted lines. So I'm going to get my bone folder out. The bone folder just makes the creases more defined and the paper more professional looking, I guess. So when I'm folding these, I'm going to fold the pyramid so that the dotted lines aren't showing on the top. So I'm going to make all of my folds going inward. Okay, so all my folds are complete. So now I'm going to get a toothpick out and the PVC glue. You only need a really small, like a little bit, to make it stick to the paper. It's very strong. So I'm just going to squeeze a little tiny dab onto the paper. Then use the toothpick to spread it around. I'm going to fold this tab underneath to close the pyramid. I'm going to hold it for a couple of seconds. All right, now I'm going to insert the pop-up shape into the folding chamber. So this line can insert the tab. Actually, maybe it's this tab because it's the smaller one. There we go. So I'm going to glue this. Just Small dab. So before you glue the final tab to the other side of the card, you're going to want to close it first to see where you want, how it's going to close, and then how it'll open. All right. Now you have a pop-up. And once it's dry all the way, you can make a card with it. You can include other different pop-ups with the single pop-up. You can make a really extravagant pop-up, like the one at the front of this book. So yeah, come on in and try this kit out, and thanks for watching.